Red pandas aren't actually pandas at all. They're more closely related to raccoons and were discovered 50 years before giant pandas. These incredible creatures can rotate their ankles 180 degrees to climb down trees headfirst. They have a false thumb, just like humans, perfect for gripping bamboo. Red pandas sleep 17 hours a day and are most active at dawn and dusk. Their fluffy tails aren't just cute, they're blankets and balance beams rolled into one. With only 10,000 left in the wild, these living teddy bears are more endangered than giant pandas. They communicate through chirps, squeaks, and even huff quacks. Red pandas are living proof that nature's most amazing creatures often come in the smallest packages.